Welcome to Fractured Fables Puppet Show by the Yippee Skippy Puppet Theater, presented by Book and Puppet Company. Let me just play my overture. That was the overture. And now we're ready for our featured presentation, which is the famous story of Snow White. Welcome to Snow White.
Once upon a time, there was a very nice couple. The wife was a school teacher. Hello. And the husband was an electrician. Hello. And they were so in love, and they loved each other so much, but for some reason, they could not have children. Then one day, when the wife was sitting on her front porch, knitting, she accidentally stabbed her finger with a knitting needle, and some of the red blood dropped on the snow white tablecloth. And she said, "Oh, I wish I could have a little baby with teeth as white as this tablecloth and lips as red as this blood and eyes as black as the ebony table. Wouldn't she be pretty?" Oh, yes, she would. She would be very pretty. Unfortunately, the doctor says we can't have children, so oh well. But it turned out she had a baby. And when the baby was tiny, we all went to the park and we went on the merry-go-round. Yes, I'll hold the baby. You go ahead and ride on the merry-go-round, and I'll take pictures. All right, that sounds like fun. So the mother got on the merry-go-round. She chose a horse. Look, a unicorn! And she got on the horse. But when the merry-go-round started going, something went wrong. It kept going faster and faster, around and around, and faster and faster, and round, faster and faster. And she flew off the merry-go-round, up into the sky, and was never seen again. So the nice man had to raise his daughter all by himself. And he did. But one day, he got a big promotion at his job, and he had to work a lot of hours. I'm going to be making a lot more money now, dear Snow White. You will? That's great. Maybe you can buy me an iPhone. Or maybe not. But in any case, I'm hiring a nice cleaning lady to help out around the house. She can help you with your homework as well, and she'll keep the house clean, and she'll make the meals, and all you have to do is your homework, and also whatever she tells you to do to help around the house. What if she's mean? Oh no, she's not mean. She's very nice. She comes highly recommended. Oh, okay, good. I'll introduce you to her right now. Okay. Boy, that's going to be nice to have a babysitter and cleaning person to help with the house and stuff. I'm so excited. Maybe I'll have more time to play video games. Hello, dear. Oh, hello. I'm your new housekeeper. Nice to meet you. What's your name? My name is Lily. What's your name? Snow White. Oh, that's quite an unusual name. Yes, well, it's just a nickname because of something my mom said. Well, I'm so sorry about your mother. Now, let's get this place whipped into shape. What do you mean? Well, look at it, look at it, look at it. You can tell a man's been running things around here. Let's move all these books off the bookshelves and replace them with knickknacks. I like my books. No, knickknacks are much more classy. The books can all be thrown out. No, I don't want to throw out the books. No, we have to throw out all these old books. Now, if you need it for school, if it's about math, or if it's about accounting, or if it's about computer science, then you may keep it. But if it's one of those fairy tale books, or something like that, then it's not really very practical, is it? We might as well throw them out or give them away to some poor children. But I love my books. Oh, you'll understand one day, dear. Now let's get going. Oh, Dad, where are you? He's working so many hours. Well, she's not a very cooperative girl. I must say, I was expecting that she would be a lot more help. Let me see now. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? I'm looking on Facebook. Let's see. Oh, look, she says here on her Facebook page, our new housekeeper made me throw out all my favorite books. Well, that's not fair. She says here, of course it's fair. Of course it's fair. She should get rid of all those useless books and only have useful books. Well, I don't think she's very fair. Mirror, mirror, what about me? All right, let's go to my Facebook page. Here I say, I'm working for a very nice family, and the little girl is quite bright, but she's a little frivolous. Now, that's fair. That's fair. That's fair. All right.
Fair.
That's fair. So, you see, I'm the fairest one of all.
Fairest.
Yes.
Be careful what you write on your Facebook page.
Dad? Yes, dear. Oh, the new housekeeper has thrown out all my favorite books. Oh, really? Reading books is good. What did she throw away? Oh, all my fairy stories. Fairy stories? Oh, you don't need fairy stories. Don't you want to become an electrician like me? I'll buy you books about electricity and science. But what if I want to be a school teacher? Well, school teachers don't tell fairy stories. Everyone tells stories about real life now. You just were lost in the clouds, but you'll see. You have to have a practical education. But Dad! Oh, no buts about it. Now, I've got to go to bed now. I'm very tired and I have to get up at 5 in the morning. Why would he listen? All right, now let's clean out your closet. That's okay. I'll do it myself. No, I'll help you. Let's see. What do we here? I see school uniforms, and I see a fancy dress for a party, and I see, oh, look at that, some mini skirts and halter tops. Oh, no, you can't wear that. Why not? No. You can either wear your school uniforms or something very classy, something that says, I'm a classy young lady. But I like wearing cool clothes in the summer. I don't want to be too hot. Well, don't worry. You don't have to go outside. Just sit by the air conditioner and you can wear whatever you like. But I want to have my regular clothes that I like. No, we're going to take all these clothes and take them away. But that's not fair. Fair? I'm the fairest one of all around here. You aren't fair. You aren't listening to my experience. You aren't doing what I say. Your father said, do what I say, and you're supposed to do what I say. Now I'm taking all these clothes to the Goodwill. Why can't I express myself? fairest of them all. Oh my goodness! Look at this! Look what Snow White wrote on her Facebook. She wrote, "Our housekeeper is a mean old hag." Oh! That's not fair. That's not fair. I'm not mean. And I might be, getting on in years, but am I a hag? No, not a hag. I'm very well dressed. Let's see here. Oh, let me look on my Facebook page and compare. Now look at here. It says, oh yes, the family I work for is very classy. I recently helped the young lady to upgrade her wardrobe. Oh, well, and I even gave her a silk scarf at my own expense. You see, that's fair. That's fair. That's absolutely fair. I don't see why she thinks I'm unfair at all. Huh. Well, I'll have to talk to her father about this. This is not very good. Now you see what she's been writing about me on her Facebook page? Old hag? Oh, that's not like Snow White. She's usually very nice. Well, she's not nice to me, and she's not being fair. I'm just trying to help her. I'm just doing what you asked me to do. Oh dear, what will we do? Well, I've heard about a school. It's a sleepover school, You live there most of the time, and you just come home on holidays. Maybe she'll make new friends there. Maybe she'll take a new attitude if she's living at school all the time in the discipline of the school environment. That sounds... well, I'd miss her so much. Yes, but you have to be a good father. If you let her slip now, who knows what kind of delinquent she'll turn out to be. Oh my goodness, delinquent. I don't want that. Yes, don't let her turn into a delinquent. I would say send her to boarding school. Now, here's a recommendation from me to the headmistress. You can tell her I sent you. It's for your own good. Now, you'll enjoy the school once you make friends. But I don't want to. I want to live here. Why can't Lily leave instead of me? Oh, don't be selfish. She's only thinking of the best for you. I wish Bob was here. Don't say that. Don't remind me of my pain. Sorry, Dad. All right, now pack up and go. We've got to drive you to the airport. Why does it have to be so far away? Well, it's the best school. It's the best school in Arizona. Arizona? Oh, it's too far away, Dad. You won't even be able to visit me. I'll bring you home on Christmas and New Year's and Easter and even in the summer for a week when you're not at camp or summer school. A week? That's it? You'll be fine. Children love boarding school once they get used to it. Hurry up. We've got to drive to the airport. Snow White? Yes? Oh, I'm from the pirate school. Pirate school? Yes. We heard Snow White was arriving today, and we thought we would come and pick you up. I thought I was supposed to be going to Miss Mimble Mom's school. Oh, don't go to that place. That's a terrible place. They give you wormy oatmeal and make you write the same thing over and over again 1,000 times on the blackboard. That sounds terrible. Why don't you come and stay at pirate school instead? What? Pirate school? What's it like? Well, we've got pirates and a couple of, I don't know, sprites who live at our school, and we all learn how to be independent. Independent? Yes. You can read whatever you want, study whatever you want, and write a paper about whatever you want. Write a paper? Yes, but the important thing is you have to believe in what you're doing. If you don't believe in it, then you're not allowed to do it. That's it. That's our only rule. What if I don't believe in cleaning the toilet? Well, that's different. All newcomers have to clean the toilet. What? No, just kidding. We take turns. Everybody takes turns doing the things that nobody wants to do, but somebody has to do. And other than that, we just do what we want. Wow, that sounds great. Come on, you'll love it. So here we are at pirate school. Now let me introduce everyone. What's your name? Oh, my name is Snodgrass. Snodgrass? Yes. And let's see here. Here we have Captain Hook. Yeah, but you have a hook and he doesn't have a hook. Yes, well, that's why we call him Hook, because I have a hook, but my name is Snodgrass, so he has to be the one with the hook. Nice to meet you. Okay. Who else is there? Well, let's see. We have a dwarf. His name is Snooty. Snooty? Yes, Snooty the dwarf. Hello. Okay, and let's see, who else have we got here? Let's see. Oh, this is our token forest pirate. Forest pirate? Yes, it's Robin Hood. He lives in the forest. But we don't live in a boat on the ocean. No, but we're still pirates, okay? Hello. Yes. Hi, Robin Hood. Oh boy, he looks tired. Okay, who else is there today? Let's see. Oh, and this is Smee. Hi, Smee. Hi. And where's Rodney? Here comes Rodney. Oh, hello. Oh, hi, Rodney. Yes, this is Rodney, and we all live here together, and we enjoy it. Well, nice to meet you all. Thank you for welcoming me into your collective. It's a collective. Your collective. So now let me show you the chore chart, and we'll put your name on there and give you some jobs to do, and otherwise you are free to do as you wish. What about, doesn't it cost anything to live here? Well, yes, we have rent and utilities and things like that. How do you pay it? Well, we have a little internet business. Internet business? Yes, we sell worms. Worms? Yes, we raise worms in the basement and we sell them to people who like to go fishing. Wow! That sounds cool. Yes, it's very lucrative and it doesn't take any time at all. Well, occasionally we just have to add more dirt. That's it? You just add dirt? Yes, that's all we have to do. Add a little dirt, make sure they're moist. Every once in a while I sing to them. Sing to them? What do you sing to them? I sing lullaby and good night. Go to sleepy little wormies. You are cute and you are nice. I'm sorry about the hooks, but I have a hook and so will you. And you're going to meet the fishes. But till then, you live here, and I'll meet all your wishes. Wow, that's really deep. I think so, yes. So, enjoy living at pirate school. Okay, thank you. Thanks for inviting me. Let me know if you need me to help take care of the worms. Yes, well, it's right here on the chore chart. So, thanks for being part of the collective, and we'll see you at dinner. Boy, this is great. Mr. White. Yes, Lily. Oh, I've gotten a phone call from the school. Miss Mama, oh, I've forgotten her name. It was something like that. Yes, well, get on with it. Anyway, she's given me a phone call. She said that, Snow White never showed up. What? She never showed up? No, she's disappeared. Oh, I'm so sorry. She seems to have gotten lost in the airport. Oh no. I will go find her. No, I'll go find her. You go to work. I'll fly to Arizona and I'll look for her. Are you sure? I should be the one to go look for her. No, you have a very important job to do. It is my job to take care of poor Snow White, and I'll go look for her. You just go to work. I'll call you every 3 hours and let you know what's going on. Thank you, Lily. Thank you. You are the best housekeeper ever. No problem at all. I'll get ready right now. Oh, Snow White, what has happened to you? I'd better call the police. Mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? Let's see. I'm going to check Snow White's Facebook page and see if she's posted anything about her whereabouts. Oh my, look at this. There is something on her Facebook page. She says, I'm enjoying being part of the Pirates Collective. Pirates Collective? Oh no, that can't be good. That can't be good at all. Oh, and she says, and I'm especially enjoying not having to do what my housekeeper Lily says every single day. Oh, because she's a mean old hag. Oh no. All right, I'm going to put something on my Facebook page. All right, Snow White has run away from home and she is a very bad girl. And so anyone who sees her, please report to me because she has run away and she is bad. Bad. So, there. Now that's fair. That is fair. I've arrived in Arizona, here in Phoenix, and I'm going to go to the house of the Pirates Collective. Now, I found out where they live through my networks, and I'm going to bring this apple, and I'm going to give it to one of them for Snow White, and when she eats it, she'll fall into a deep sleep, and then I can have her apprehended by the police, and they'll bring her home. That's how you have to do these things. Knock, knock.
Hello,
Ah! Oh! Who are you?
I'm Smee.
Are you a member of the collective, perhaps?
Yes. Who are you?
I'm just a friend of the collective. I brought this apple. I heard you had a new member. Snow White?
Yeah?
Yes, so I brought this apple. Here, take it.
Okay. Alright. I got it.
And give it to her. Make sure she eats it, because it's extremely healthy for her to eat apples. You know, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and I'm only really concerned about her health. So make sure she eats it today, and then she'll feel much better. Yes.
Alright. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Oh, all right. Now, as soon as I know she's unconscious, I'll call the police to apprehend her.
Snow White!
Yes.
Oh, there you are. Oh, somebody came to the door and they gave you this apple. They said it was for your health.
Oh, who would do that? I don't know anybody in Phoenix.
I don't know. Somebody just gave it to me.
Really? What did she look like?
I don't know. I didn't have my glasses on.
Oh. Can you remember anything about her?
She seemed nice.
Nice. Oh, okay. Well, I was just about to go feed the worms, so I'm gonna go down there and then I'll eat it.
She said to make sure you eat it today.
Today?
She was very specific.
Oh. Huh, that's weird. Okay, well, I'm gonna go down and feed the worms.
Okay.
Let's see. All right, I'm gonna put my apple down and get ready to feed the worms. Oh, hello, Wormy. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, you're eating my apple. Yum, 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 yum. I didn't know that worms liked apples. Oh, I guess they do. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, Wormy! What happened? This worm is either dead or unconscious. What is in this apple? Oh my goodness, somebody's trying to poison me. I better take this to the police station. And so you see, she's run off and joined the pirates, and her father's very upset about it, and she's minor, and so you have to go and pick her up immediately.
Don't you think you should call social services?
Oh, well, why can't you do it? You should do it because she's very dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yes, she likes to wear halter tops, and she has a very bad word that she likes to say.
What is it?
Hag. She likes to say the word hag when she talks about me, and it's quite rude. You know, she's really no good at all.
Well, I don't see that it has anything to do with the police.
Oh, here she comes! Oh!
Here she comes? Oh, my goodness, here comes that little girl.
Hello? Yes. Somebody brought this apple to my house and wanted me to eat it. But when my pet worm ate some bites of it collapsed. I think this worm is poisoned.
Poison?
Yes, or drugged or something. Can I file a police report?
Absolutely. Now, we'll put these in evidence. Yes. And we'll send them to the lab and get them tested. Are you sure that this worm isn't just ill?
No, the worm was very active and healthy until it ate some of the apple.
Let me smell it. Oh, that smells like something really strong.
Yeah, it does smell kind of funny, doesn't it? Oh, ew.
All right, we'll put these in evidence and you file your report.
All right, here we go. Now, I believe that the person who did this is my housekeeper.
Housekeeper?
Yes, she's really a mean old hag. I told you she says hag.
Oh, she's right over there.
Arrest her! She's trying to poison me.
Oh, all right.
Yes.
Madam?
What? I was just trying to save the poor girl from herself.
I'm sorry, but giving people poisoned apples is illegal.
Oh,
We're going to have to arraign you. Now, we'll set your bail. You stand in line over there while I deal with the little girl.
oh, now what?
Well, let's see now. Where do you live?
Well, I live at the Pirates Collective.
Pirates Collective? Does your father approve?
No, he doesn't even know.
Oh my. Now we can't release you unless we release you to a responsible adult. What about your school?
I don't want to go to my school.
What about your father?
He's in New York.
Oh, well, we can't release you until you have a responsible adult. As a minor, you're not to leave here by yourself. Well, we'll call the school.
No, wait. Let me think about it for a second. Could you just call my dad?
Yes, well, he has to get here from New York, though, doesn't he?
All right, can you just hold on a second? I've got to sit down and think about this. Oh, maybe I should go to the school, but it was the school that the housekeeper Lily picked, and I'm sure they're very mean there. I don't want to go. What'll I do? I just saw something. Out the window, there's a huge crowd. Whoosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, hello. My name is Sandra White, and I have been floating in space for 15 years. 15 years in space? Yes. And now I've floated back down to Earth, but while I was in space, I was living on a spaceship with aliens. You were? What an amazing story. How did it all happen? Well, one day, when my daughter was just a tiny little girl, I rode on a merry-go-round, and something happened with the mechanism, and it spun around faster and faster and faster until it shot me into space. What? That's what happened to my mom. You mean you're my daughter, Snow White? Yes, Mommy! Mommy! Oh, can you tell the police that you're back so that you can take me out of this place and we can go back to Dad's house and not have that darn stupid housekeeper anymore? Who just got arrested for poisoning me?
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, well, call your dad. We'll get a hotel, and then when he gets here, we'll prosecute. Yay! And that's the end of the story of Snow White. I got my mom back!
Yay! So the moral is be nice to aliens, and also be careful what you post on your Facebook page. And thank you very much for coming for Fractured Fables! Woo!